That's an incident unit, isn't it?
Unfortunately, I can confirm that one person has died and another has been taken to hospital where he is being treated for his injuries, which thankfully are not life-threatening.
And we'll get to all these again.
Work is still ongoing to establish what has happened and could take some time before we're in a position to confirm anything. We are keeping an open mind as to what caused the explosion, but given how it has happened and out of caution, Counter-terrorism police are leading the investigation, supported by Merseyside Police.